guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. We're going to jump into a quick little unboxing. I want to show you guys this new nail drill that MelodySusie sent me over. So this is their rechargeable nail drill in the style Jade. It's gorgeous. I really love the detailing. White and gold is definitely my theme. So I was super excited to try this out. I'm just showing you guys the functionality of it. It's a nice size. It's probably about the same length as my hand. And it does come with this super durable clip on the back. I like this one because some of the other ones are like, you can take them out, but it kind of toggles off. So I really like this nail drill. And here's what the hand drill looks like. Literally gorgeous. The white and gold is just, love it. It's so beautiful. It also comes with a little cradle, and then your standard drill bits, different drill tips, and yeah, so it also comes with a clear little holder, and this is rechargeable. It does come with the charger, so I'm super obsessed with it. Thanks so much to MelodySusie for sending me that over to review. I do have a link down below with a discount code if you guys are interested. Alright, so we're jumping into today's video. We're going to be using my soft gel extra short full nail covers, and this is my absolute favorite new product, as you guys know. This is a solid nail tip glue gel. Basically, it's a solid nail glue. It's literally so amazing. It makes life so much easier. Here I'm showing you guys a little bit of what the inside looks like. So this is a 10-gram container. I am going to work on bringing bigger sizes if you guys really love this product, because one jar should last you, one jar would get you probably about 8 to 10 nails. So I'm working on bringing bigger sizing. So I definitely recommend trying this out if you haven't already. This product is amazing. It makes life so much easier. I kid you guys not, I put on my nails now in seconds. It takes me literally seconds. The longest thing for me now is prep. My prep routine takes longer than me doing this and doing the design on my nails. Obviously, it depends on if I'm doing an intricate design or not, but most of the time when I really do my personal nails, I don't go too crazy with the designs. I just do it for, YouTube and everything, just to show, versatility. But yeah, if you're a simple girl and you just, like to put on nails and put on a simple color, or if you want a quick hack to putting on press-on nails, I do have a video of how I do this with press-ons. Definitely give this product a try because it's a game changer. So as you can see, I'm just going in, I'm dipping it, and I'm applying it to my nails and curing. It's just that easy. But yeah, I'm just going in, and as you can see, this literally took me seconds. If I didn't speed this up, it took me about 5 minutes to do this. So I do my 4 fingers, and then I do my thumbs separately. And I do quick flash cures in between, and then I fully cure it for about a minute, I would say, after all the nails are fully on. But yeah, I'm going in now with an 80 grit nail file. You guys hear me rave about these nail files. These are off of Amazon, and they are in my Amazon storefront. But guys, 80 grit nail files are a game changer. If you're using 180 grits, just try 80 grits. I'm telling you, they make life so much easier. You get filing done so much faster. It's nice, sharp, clean, obsessed. So definitely check out my Amazon storefront. The link is down below. So you can check out these nail files because they are a true game changer. Alright, so I'm going to be applying a gel builder on top of my nails today to get this milky white color. So before you do that, you definitely want to make sure whatever nails you're doing that you are etching the outside of your nails and making sure there's no shine. That's just going to help whatever polish you use adhere to your nail the best. Because if you don't, there is a possibility that your full gel nail polish that you put on will just like peel right off. So you want to make sure that you're just etching it and so it adheres, so it actually adheres to the full nail cover. So we're going to be using this shade by Milky. I'm not even sure how you pronounce it, but they're off Amazon. And I absolutely love these gel builders. Obsessed. I bought the whole starter pack, and I bought this with my own money too. Like, this is not sponsored. I bought that with my own money, and I absolutely love their gel builders. They're amazing. So this is like a milky white color, and I'm doing like a thick, well, not a thick, I'm doing like a thin thick, like in the middle layer of this, because since we already do have on a full soft gel nail cover, it does add thickness, so I don't want to add too much thickness since this is builder. But yeah, I'm just going in and I'm really just playing with it, getting it to the thickness I want. You can create apexes with, like, you can do a lot with gel builder. So I absolutely love this. It's kind of like it's like almost like a rubbery consistency. So yeah, you just kind of play with it. There's, you know, better methods than what you see me doing with applying builder, but I just do my own thing. I be swirling and twirling to get it how I want to get it. So you'll figure out what method works best for you. But yeah, I do my thumbs separately, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my nails, and I'll be back. Alright, so after we finish applying our gel polish, we're going to go in with some top coat. As you guys know, I rave about the Model 1's top coat. It's truly my favorite, and this is linked in my Amazon storefront. Individual links, as always, will be down below as well, but yeah, I really love the Model 1's top coat. It's honestly my favorite one that I came across. I love the product, and I also love the brush, so it's just like amazing. I definitely recommend giving it a try. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and top off my nails. Doing a quick file just because I want to file down any excess gel polish or whatever, maybe some excess solid nail glue got around the corner. So I'm just going in and filing that off, and then I go in with like a little duster and dust away. Oh, and I also did go in with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe and wipe down those nails as well, because the top coat that I use by Model 1's is not a no wipe one. So here are my brand new cuticle oils. I'm so obsessed with them. Comes in 5 different scents, and we went in with the one rose today. How adorable is this container? I'm in love. Like, I absolutely love these cuticle oils. They smell amazing. They're made with all natural ingredients and all natural dried flowers. So definitely check out my Etsy shop because it is linked there. All products are linked down below. But yeah, I'm just going in with my cuticle oil, and here are the final results. Super cute. I really love this milky white color. It's really nice, simple, basic, and I'm obsessed with it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.